Hello, treasure hunters. We are here in our upcoming Yorkville Vibrant sale. This is one of two sales we have happening in Yorkville on the same weekend just for you. It's happening on April 5th and 6th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and we can't wait to share this very special sale with you. The woman who lived here was a lifelong collector of antiques, and you will see her curated shabby chic Victorian magazine vibes featured throughout her beautiful home. There are treasures like antique furniture, chintz, candle holders and candlesticks, a great collection of Dick and Jane books and other ephemera just for you. There is quite a bit of local Sandwich Antique Fair art and ephemera and framed art available for you, vintage clothing, vintage linens. We have perfumes, we have jewelry, fantastic furniture like this lovely hand-carved bed that you see right behind me. So many very special things. There are 2 levels and a large garage full of special finds just for you. We can't wait to share this and all of our upcoming 24 sales with you that we have coming up now through May. Again, this and our other Yorkville sale is happening the weekend of April 5th and 6th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. We can't wait to see you at this very special sale. Bye for now, treasure hunters.